Alright, we're on a mission right now. I was door dashing earlier today, and I had an order that went downtown, but when I left, because somebody was blocking the main exit that I would have taken, I went out the opposite direction, and when I did that, I bottomed out the front bumper on the roadway because it dipped down too far. The bumper is fine, but the same piece that I lost back in the accident fell off again because of the bumper bottoming out, and it twisted enough to where it popped that little piece out. Notably, I mean, it's same day, so there's a good chance that it's still there. So we're gonna drive down to the location where basically where I bottomed out the front bumper and see if I can find it. And if I can, then it's a bad place to be broke down. That's an even worse place to be broke down. Got a truck on oncoming. Will it go in neutral? Yeah, I was gonna help push. Can it go in neutral?
Get on, go push her out of the way.
Yeah, it's in neutral.
On the next green, we'll be all right.
Yeah, he's disabled, but
No, I understand. Well, I saw the car on the corner, and I was like, oh, it's the car on the corner. Nope. So yeah, at the green, we'll just be out here on the road. Hey, thank you guys. Yeah, you want to help? I'm just gonna push it across the intersection.
The other somewhere where she's not stuck in the way.
Right, blocking. Yeah, well, we're gonna push it when it goes green for the turn arrow.
well,
I think we got enough now. Thank you. Yeah, go make the left turn.
Make the left turn.
Yeah,
Yeah, and then we'll get you in the bank.
Then
Go in the
there's
bank.
no- yeah.
Yep.
yeah, I'm gonna put her in that plot over there.
Look at this. This is great.
Yeah, the traffic ain't gonna wait for us, I promise.
I know, right? Good amount of traffic. Yeah, there we go. All right, go for it. Go, go, go.
Thank you guys so much.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
You need a ride somewhere?
Back home.
Where's home?
Lexington Commons.
Not a problem.
It'll be good here. You're welcome. What a workout that was. That was fun. That was a workout. I actually had to go to McDonald's to grab an ice water. Drive-through was packed, so I just walked inside. Gladly nobody was in there. Real quick, real easy 2-minute thing. She was stuck in that intersection, and there was a car next to her on the oncoming lane, just blocking the oncoming lane. And they had good intentions. They wanted to be able to help her in some way, but nobody actually got out of their car and helped until I walked up and said, hey, will it go in neutral? And let's push it across the intersection. When the light goes green, get it out of the way, because that's the most important thing. Disabled vehicle, let's try not to impede traffic. Let's get it out of the way. That was great. Fantastic work. I didn't know I was going to go the other direction to the plastic piece, but for some reason I went the wrong way and went that way, and there I am able to help. So got the car out of the road. 2 other guys from the car behind, painter men, they were real nice. I didn't catch anyone's names, but they jumped out. They were all passengers, pushed the car out of the road real quick. Then they were all free to go and on their merry way. So we're back on the mission. We're about 5 to 8 minutes away. It's probably been out in the middle of the road for a good 8 hours maybe. I probably lost it around noon, and it's almost 8 right about now. It's about 7. So I'm really hoping that it fell off right where the bumper hit the ground, like it just popped out, because if it would have held on to the bumper for a few miles, then I would see it on this roadway somewhere along the way, either against the side road or in the middle. That's why I'm driving down the way I came, just in case. All right, I'm looking on the roadway, seeing if it's anywhere visible. Nothing yet. It's gonna be this next block on the left. There's a split between the buildings. I see something on the ground. I bet you it's it. Come on, come on. Oh, I think we got lucky, guys. Yes, it is right there on the ground. Condition wise, it's in good condition. Oh, don't do it again. Oh my gosh, we found it. We also found the Purple People Eater. That's the name of the truck. Oh, it's sitting right there. Oh, it got hit twice, a few times. Look how gnarly that curb is. You want to do a burnout real quick? Yeah, get out. That truck's really nice. Look at this. It's a good dip. Just trust me. I mean, it hit the bumper and this fell off. So, look at all the scratches. We're gonna have to see how that will clean up. But I mean, it's not cracked. It's not broken. It's got scratches. That's better than nothing. And this whole clip system right here. If I squeeze this, yes, it still moves back and forth. Okay, we're good. I'm confident that will go right back in. Right there. 24 hours since I replaced the cover back on, and it's in there snug. I've pushed on it to see if it'd pop out again, and it's not going anywhere. And we also will secure it with a zip tie on the back side, so that if it falls off again, it will just dangle and it won't be lost. Because I don't know how hard this part is to find. I don't really want to try to find it. So that will solve the problem. The passenger side already has one to catch it if it falls, so no biggie there. Mission complete. Thank you for watching.